Hello and welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday. My name is Heidi Gamble with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day which add up to a beautiful life. I've been doing a 10-piece wardrobe experiment, and the concept was taken from this book, Lessons from Madame Chic, 20 Stylish Secrets I Learned While Living in Paris. And the concept is that you have 10 core wardrobe pieces. Now that's not to say that you only have 10 pieces. You are allowed extras. And in this season, extra could be defined as sweaters, jackets, scarves, boots, of course, workout gear, pajamas. All of that doesn't count. We're talking about main core pieces. And so 2 weeks ago, I deliberated and I narrowed down my wardrobe to 10 pieces and started the experiment. And I have been thrilled. So she did the experiment for a month, and here were some things that she noticed. She noticed that opening her closet makes her happy. I will agree with that. My closet looks amazing. Normally I come in here on Wednesdays to organize my closet, to clean it, to bring it back to start. Well, it didn't go anywhere, so it's good. So it's true. If you want to open your closet and be so happy, this is a fantastic way to do it. She said her desire to shop has not been strong, and apparently she was a shopaholic. I am not a shopaholic. I, in fact, do not like shopping at all. However, this process has forced me to make some purchases that were long overdue. So that it was good for me. Let's see, number 3, when she does go shopping, she feels liberated, like as if she doesn't have to come home with something, and she can be very choosy about what she brings home, especially focusing on quality. Quality is so important if you're going to be wearing something over and over and over again. Talk about that this week on the blog on HeidiGamble.com, where when you're looking at something to purchase, you can purchase it with cost per wear in mind, instead of just looking at the ticket price and making your decision based on that. She also says that acknowledging when an article of clothing is past its prime becomes easier, and that happened this week. If you watched any of the videos, that happened. I just had to get very honest with myself, and I let go of several pieces. So that's really good, because that just means that's less drama in the morning when I'm getting dressed. I'm not dealing with things that have issues. Another point, she said, the ability to mix and match your clothing and create many possibilities is of the utmost importance, of course. That's so true. And in this season of needing to wear layers, it's super easy to do with scarves and sweaters and jewelry and jackets and shoes and boots. So it's so true. She says if you choose your 10-piece wardrobe carefully, you can force yourself to use only the best things you have. And what better way to live your life than by wearing the best things you have? What's the point of having the best hanging in your closet if you're not going to use them? No point. Excuse me. And then she said to preserve your nice clothing while doing housework or other chores, wear an apron around the house. I'm a fan of an apron. I have been in the habit of wearing an apron, so that is a really great idea. And that's also a really good thing to think about, because I did have some ask, well, why are you dressing up to just do housekeeping? And I always have felt that you should dress to dignify your work. And housekeeping is a very important work that needs to be done. And so I have always felt just not only to dignify my work, but dignify myself as well. So. And if you're worried about getting your best clothing messed up at work, find a fantastic apron. She says getting behind in doing laundry or dropping off the dry cleaning is not an option. True. And then if your fashion budget is on the lower end, avoid overspending on core items. Yes, your core items do not need to be investment pieces. However, quality over quantity, and if you're wearing it more often, then the quality is really going to show. It's going to show up for sure. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am so thrilled with the 10-piece wardrobe concept. And okay, so you're wondering what happened to all of my clothing. It's in the guest room on the bed. But now that I've done the experiment for 2 weeks and I feel really good about it, I am going to go through it ruthlessly and divide it into the 3 following seasons. So that, because March 1st will be the spring season, March, April, and May, so that I'll be prepared with a new 10-piece wardrobe to bring in. So excited. I am so excited about this. So that's all I have for you. I hope that you have enjoyed this process. I know I have, and it's just something to think about. And I did talk to someone today who was lamenting about how she has several past sizes hanging in her closet. And regardless of who we are, having all of those reminders hanging in your closet that you have to face every day, whether you know it or not, is a source of stress. It takes an emotional toll, and it takes up decisions and causes decision fatigue. So one thing I suggested is when you put something on and it clearly doesn't fit and it's not going to fit, just get rid of it. It's as easy as that. And if you've watched me this week, you've seen me do it. Even getting rid of fantastic pieces that I've had for a really long time. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Head over to the blog and read about cost per wear, because I swear by it. And what else is going on? Join us in the Facebook group. It's private. We're going to do champagne and Prosecco on Friday. We always do. It's so much fun. We basically have fun for no reason, because why not? I hope you have a fantastic evening. Thanks for joining.